weather.
Light showers in Carmarthen didn't deter voters turning up early when the polls opened at 7, and as the weather cleared right across the country, polling became more brisk. The Welsh electorate determined to have their say in this historic referendum on the political future of Wales. Welsh Secretary Ron Davies was one of the first to vote at this makeshift polling station in the village of Drythen near Caerphilly.
There we are. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks for your cooperation.
But not all Labour MPs were voting in favour of the Assembly. A handful, including Mlaenau Gwent's Llew Smith, have taken a strong anti-devolution stance. At Llangasty Village Hall near Brecon, another no vote from the Conservative spokesman for Wales, Jonathan Evans. More than 2 million adults in Wales's 22 unitary authorities are eligible to vote, with the polls closing at 10 this evening.
I think it's a very important decision for the people in Wales on this occasion, and I hope they've made use of their democratic right to vote and to use the power they have collectively to good effect.
Within hours, the future of Cardiff City Hall will be sealed. A no vote and it remains as the finest civic building in Wales. A yes vote and it's transformed into Wales's first political assembly for centuries.